Hello guys, we're sad, so we're getting squishies. Just kidding. Kind of. A little. Guys, we've spotted our first squishy. Oh my god, did you just see that? Look at this one. This is the hamster. It's so cute. So cute. Paper bag. I don't like that one. Look. I love this one. This is really, it's so satisfying. Okay, so first I got a Specs squishy from Barnes & Noble. It's just so much squishier. And then I got a Taba. It's like so crazy looking.
Is it nice?
It's so sticky.
Oh my god.
Ooh, it's like really glittery.
Oh, I thought the glitter was like made into it.
Me too. Bye guys.